magkakaroon po tayo ng regulation about AI po na pwede po nating implement nationwide.
Ang AI, nandyan na. Dadami lang ng dadami yan. Dadalaki. I was doing making a list of subjects around AI that I wanted to discuss during the ASEAN. So sinimulan ko, simple lang, AI and education, AI and infrastructure, AI and renewables. Walang katapusan yung listahan. It does not end. The longer you want, the more time you spend on it, the longer that list will become because it's going to touch everything. And it's important for us to understand it. That's why it's not so easy. May kasabihan yan eh. Legislation is always years behind technology. And the reason is, generally, legislators do not immediately understand technology. Meron medyo techie na nakakaintindi, pero karamihan hindi. So, what will you legislate? What's the best way for the Philippines to take full advantage, to maximize the use of AI? The other side of the equation is, what are the things na kailangan bantayan natin? Ayan na, yung mga fake news, yung mga disinformation, etc., etc.